Yeah, for the kim dolosi ko ngā koko Randy Luvaye. Today I just wanted to share one of my funny stories from some fond memories that I remember about growing up in Niue. So basically my story is we moved from Fiji to Niue at a very young age. I think I was 6 when I moved to Niue from Fiji, and then ever since I've been brought up in the Niuean culture. So it's back to my story. I remember back in Niue during bee season. Bee season was probably not the most pleasant time in the island. I remember when we used to go and clean our onga bait tracks. I used to hate doing that, because basically during bee season, bees will set up their hives and whatnot, and then there you are chopping through the bushes, and then all of a sudden you get stung. And then, man, that really hurt, especially growing up as a kid. You get stung. You shouldn't be running away from the bees, but natural reaction is to scream and yell at the top of your lungs and run off, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bees chasing you. But anyways, the funny memory that I have about the bees back in Niue is that one story that everyone would share, especially as a kid. The theory was, if you see a beehive and you want to go past it without disrupting the bees, what you need to do is grab your left testicle. Wasn't any specific details whether you had to put it under your undies or you just grab it from outside, but you had to grab your left testicle. And the theory was, when you do that and you walk past, the bees will not even try and attempt to sting you. So yeah, let me know about your experiences with that. Did you experience it as a child? Was that the same story that you heard as well? Or did you ever try it out? Did it work? But yeah, that's definitely one of the funniest stories I can remember, thinking back to it now. As everyone said, grab your left testicle and see if the bee will sting you. Never got to try it, but yeah, please do share your experience if you had any similar experiences such as that. But yeah, that's my funny memory of growing up in Niue. Fakaue lahi for listening. Koe kia.